Hello, hey, what's up? It is Memorial Day weekend in the White Mountains. My gosh, it is so beautiful up here. We were just told that there's a brook over there, so we'll be checking that out. Let's get set up. Right over here we have the presidentials. They are gorgeous. Going on an adventure.
I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door.
Just finished our hike, and we're actually right next to where Jesse went swimming yesterday, so we're gonna take a dip, cool off, head back to camp, make lunch. Delectable day.
It's one way or the other, no way in between. I ain't getting any younger, you will stay forever a dream.
Alright babe, so how was that 2-hour hike?
It was quite enjoyable until we started collapsing on the way down.
My knees got worn out and his back started spasming. We're getting old. No, someone was just enjoying the camp spot, searching through the brook, having a good old time, and they just happened to be really thirsty. Brought some drinks, and they just forgot them. I know, I understand, I get thirsty too. Just a friendly reminder, leave no trace. Look around you. Did you forget anything? Be a good person. Pick up your trash. Thanks.
Oh, the angels just like me. So I stood and looked about. I brushed the leaves off of my snout. And then I heard my brush the leaves off of my snout. Every day I want one. This is our least favorite part.
We're leaving.
Once again.
We're all packed up.
Dreadful.
It's dreadful. We hate leaving. We'd rather
Not me.
Stay in the camper in the woods. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a glorious time. I know we did. Just want to say a special thank you to my mom. We'll see you all. We'll see you out there. Bye. You were amazing. Oh, that's where the water was.